have these customer details in this Google Sheet and I wanted to send new stock alert message to all these customers on WhatsApp with their personalized name in just one click. Sounds impossible, right? So here let me tell you that I have already completed this entire process of sending WhatsApp messages to all these bulk contacts in one click like this with their personalized name on WhatsApp using an automation. Sounds magical, right? Here I've simply built a connection between my Google Sheet and my all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform to send the WhatsApp messages. And after setting up this automation, I was easily able to send the bulk WhatsApp messages to all these contacts in just one click. And now here in this tutorial, we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this amazing automation for your business too. So to start with the process, you need to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see two options. One is sign in and the other one is sign up for free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user like me, then simply sign in. And here if you're a new user and you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I have got a special discount code just for you. By using this code, you can get an amazing discount while making a purchase. You just need to type ROMYT in the coupon section and you are going to get an exclusive discount. For your reference, I've attached this coupon code in the left side corner of this video so that you can access it anytime till the end of this tutorial. Okay, so now you have to sign in and you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Connect by clicking on the access now and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here to build a new connection, we're going to create a workflow first and you can see two methods. One is create from scratch and the other one is create using AI. So we're going to use this AI workflow builder and we're going to start a fresh chat. It says, hey, what would you like to automate today? So I'm going to write some line of prompts describing my workflow to this AI workflow builder. Let me add it. It says when a new row is added in Google Sheets, send WhatsApp message via Pabbly chat flow. And now here after analyzing my request, it is asking which Google Sheets trigger should start this workflow. We are going to select new or updated spreadsheet row. And for Pabbly chart flow, we are going to select send text message. Here you can have a preview of your workflow. If it's correct, select approve and create. And here we have received our workflow link. So with this, we have successfully created a workflow using AI workflow builder. Now let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's set up this automation by simply setting up the trigger first. Here I've selected the app and the app event and we have received a webhook URL. That means here I'm going to use this webhook URL to connect my Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. So following the instructions given below, firstly I'm going to copy the webhook URL and here I've already logged into my Google Sheets account. So this is the spreadsheet that I've created and now here to build a connection between this Google Sheet and Pabbly Connect, you need to install an add-on your Google Sheets account first. For that, click on this extension, select add-ons and then select get add-ons. Now here in this Google Workspace Marketplace, you need to search for an add-on which is Pabbly Connect Webhooks and then you need to install this add-on on your Google Sheets account in order to connect the Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. It is already installed in mine, so we're going to move back. Once you're going to install the add-on, then you need to follow exactly these same steps. After installing the add-on, refresh your Google Sheets and that's a necessary step. Then click on this extensions and you will be able to see the option of Pabbly Connect Webhooks over here. From here, select initial setup. Now under this initial setup, it is asking for a webhook URL and the trigger column. So here for the webhook URL, I'm going to add the URL that I've received in my Pabbly's workflow, and for the trigger column, it says the trigger column will be a final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row data will be sent to the webhook URL. So you can see in my Google Sheet, my last data column is column C. So we're going to add it and then we're going to click on this submit. It says setup configured successfully. That means we have successfully set up a webhook inside our Google Sheets and we have successfully built this connection. Now let's test this connection by clicking on the send test button and it says test data sent successfully. That means we have successfully sent the first read of our Google Sheets on this webhook URL that means on our Pabbly's workflow. Let's go and check it. But before moving back, let me tell you that you need to perform another very important step in order to completely connect your Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. For that, click on this extension, select Pabbly Connect Webhooks and turn on the Send On event. By turning it on automatically, when you're going to add a new detail in your Google Sheets, instantly that data is going to be captured by Pabbly Connect. Alright, let's go and check it, and you can see we have received a tick in front of the Send On event. That means we have successfully turned it on. Now let's move back to our Pabbly's workflow. And you can see we have received a successful response where we have received all the details. So with this, we have successfully set up a tracker over here. Once we have received the new data, we are going to send instant WhatsApp message to that particular customer using all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chatflow. You can use another communication platforms as well, such as WhatsApp Cloud API, WhatsApp ASN, Interact or Wati as well. For now, I'm going to use Pabbly Chatflow, and we are going to build a new connection over here. So to build a new connection, it is asking for a token, and to get the token you need to access your Pabbly Chatflow account from this All Pabbly Apps window by clicking on the Access Now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can see I've already connected my WhatsApp number inside my Chatflow account. So to learn how to connect yours, you can watch out the tutorial available on our YouTube channel or in the description box below. Okay, so now to get the token, we're going to click on this settings, select API and Webhooks, and this is the API token. Copy the token and add it over here. Then click on the save button to save your connection. You can see we are now successfully connected. So let's move forward. Here it is asking me for the respond WhatsApp mobile number. So here I need to enter the number to whom I want to send this WhatsApp message. So here, instead of entering the number manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that we're going to receive a new data from our Google Sheets. Then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here to map the data, we are going to enter slash first, and then we're going to map the number. Okay, so this is the number. Then comes the WhatsApp message. So here I need to enter the message that I want to send to my customer. Let me add it. Alright, so this is the message, and here I've mapped the name of the customer. Also, I've used asterisks before and after some text to make that text particularly bold. Okay, so let's move forward. Here these fields are not required ones, so we're going to leave them blank. Then for the keys, we're going to turn on this map button, and I'm going to leave this field blank because I don't want to add any keys over here. Okay, so after adding the details, we're going to click on the save and send test request. But before clicking on the save and send test request, I'm going to replace this dummy user number with my original number so that I can receive a WhatsApp message over here. Let me add mine. Okay, so after adding the details, we're going to click on the save and send test request, and you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully sent a message on my number. Let's go and check it, and you can see we have received a new message over here with the name Smart User, and this is that particular message. So with this, we have successfully set up entire automation. Now here, let me tell you that how you can send the same WhatsApp messages to all these contacts in just one click. For that, you need to select extension, select Pabbly Connect Webhooks, and select send all data. Once you're going to do this, automatically the same WhatsApp message will be sent to all these contacts available over here. Okay, so these were the very simple steps to how to send WhatsApp messages from Google Sheets automatically. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then do use my special discount code, which is ROMYT. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Not only this automation, you can create many more such automations with Pabbly Connect. If you have any pricing plan related issue, then you can visit us on this link. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. And for your reference, we have attached these links in the description box as well. Now, if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.